Assalamu alaikum and a good day to everyone. So today we will be doing an SCL presentation on commercialization strategies and benefits of biotechnology products, examples of success and failure history. So these are the list of people who have been doing this presentation: Faris, Nabil, Muzzammil, which is me, and also one Amirul Hakimi. So next, let's learn what is biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of biology to produce new products and services for the betterment of human and society. So let's look at what is biotechnology commercialization. Biotechnology commercialization is the process of transforming scientific discoveries in biotechnology into marketable products and services. And this process involves various stages from research and development, which is R&D, to bringing a product to market and ensuring its commercial success. So as you can see here, we have different stages. We have research and development, R&D. We have product development. We have regulatory approval, production and manufacturing, marketing and sales, and finally, post-market surveillance.
So thank you, Muzzammil. Some of the strategy of commercialization in biotechnology product are the market segmentation and targeting. So in market segmentation and targeting, first we have to identify and focus on a specific market segment where biotechnology company usually strategically divide their target market based on demographic, geographic location, specific medical need. And this segmentation allows for precise targeting of customer group with tailored products and marketing strategy. For example, the company may focus on older adult with diabetes for new glucose monitoring device, tailoring its approach to meet their specific health need and preferences. Second is tailoring marketing strategies to specific customer needs. We have to understand the unique challenges and requirements of each segmented group and enable biotech firm to develop customized marketing strategies. And by addressing these needs directly, company can enhance customer satisfaction and increase the likelihood of product adoption. And this approach may not improve customer engagement, but also optimize resource allocation, ensuring that marketing efforts are effective and resonate well with the intended audience. Next slide. Secondly is the licensing. So licensing is where a biotechnology firm grant permission to another company to produce and sell its product. And there are some benefits from it, right? First one is the revenue stream, where licensing company typically generate revenue through a variety of mechanisms. Upfront payment are often made by this licensee to secure the right to use the licensed product or technology, and this payment provide immediate capital to licensor. And milestone payments are another common revenue source triggered by the achievement of specific developmental or commercial goals, such as regulatory approval or sales target. And lastly is royalty based on product sale of ongoing income, usually calculated as percentage of the revenue generated from the licensed product. And this model ensures that licensor benefit directly from the commercial success of the innovation. Secondly is the risk mitigation, where licensing a product allows the original developer to mitigate several financial risks. Developing and bring a product to market, particularly in business like biotechnology, requires substantial investment in production, marketing, and distribution. So by licensing their technology to more established company, developer can avoid this large-scale financial commitment. For example, there are numerous successful examples of licensing agreement in biotechnology sector, illustrating the mutual benefit for both licensor and licensee. And a notable instance is the collaboration between small biotech firm and large pharmaceutical company. For example, Genentech, a pioneer in biotechnology, licensed its monoclonal antibody technology to Russia. So I think that's all from me. I will pass to Amirul to explain more about the benefit of commercialization.
Alright, so thank you, Faris. Next, I'm going to discuss the benefits of commercializations in biotechnology. Firstly is market access and revenue generations. So commercialization opens doors to broader markets, both domestically and internationally. It provides biotechnology products with the opportunity to reach and benefit a larger audience. These expansions not only increase revenues potential, but also establish a foothold in new markets. Moreover, commercialization serves as a powerful market validation tool. By successfully bringing biotechnology innovation to market, companies demonstrate market demand and attract investment. This in turn enhances the company valuation and strengthens its position in the industry. Next, we have innovation adoptions and impact. One of the key impact of commercialization is accelerated innovation adoption across various sectors. Biotechnology innovation in healthcare, agriculture, industry, and the environment can bring about significant improvement in effectiveness, and sustainability. Through commercialization, these innovations are not just ideas, but tangible solutions that address real-world challenges. So next slide. So moving on, next we have regulatory compliance and market acceptance. So navigating a regulatory pathway is crucial for biotechnology products to ensure safety, efficacy, and compliance with legal requirements. Commercialization forces companies to engage deeply with regulatory authorities, ensuring that their products meet the necessary standards. Achieving regulatory approval enhances the market acceptance and builds consumers' confidence. It assures stakeholders, whether they are healthcare providers, farmers, or industrial users, that the products are reliable and meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Lastly is partnerships and collaboration opportunities. So commercialization open up strategic alliance between biotechnology companies, academic institutions, government agencies, and also industry stakeholders. So these partnerships are pivotal for advancing research and development efforts. By pulling together expertise, resources, and infrastructure, collaborations accelerate innovation cycles. They enable companies to tackle complex challenges more effectively and develop comprehensive solutions that address diverse needs in society. Next slide. So next, moving on to the successful cases in biotechnology commercialization. So let's start with Humulin, which is a recombinant insulin product developed by Genentech and commercialized by Eli Lilly. It's approved by the FDA in 1982. So Humulin was the first biotechnology product to gain such approval. It used recombinant DNA technology to produce human insulin in bacteria, offering a safer and more effective alternative to animal-derived insulins. So several key strategies contribute to the success of Humulin is the first one, strategic partnership, which the collaboration between the Genentech and Eli Lilly combine the Genentech's technological expertise with Lilly's manufacturing and distribution capabilities. And also next is the regulatory approval to ensuring compliance with the FDA regulations help establish trust and reliability for Humulin among the diabetic patients. Lastly is the marketing, which is emphasizing the safety and effectiveness of Humulin compared to traditional insulin, increase its acceptance and adoption in the markets. Next slide. So next we have BT cottons, which is a genetically modified cotton developed by Monsanto. So this product produces a toxin derived from Bacillus thuringiensis to protect against pests. BT cottons has significantly improved pest resistance and crop yields for farmers. So the success for BT cotton can be attributed to the following strategies, which is intellectual property, in which strong patents protection ensure market exclusivity, allowing Monsanto to capitalize on its innovation. Next is farmer education. Monsanto implement extensive outreach and training program to educate farmers on the effective use of BT content. Lastly is regulatory navigation, which working closely with regulatory bodies in different countries facilitate their approval for cultivation, expanding its market reach.
So thank you, Mr. Wan. So let's look at the failure cases for pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. So the first one is GlaxoSmithKline, GSK. Okay, this company produced the product called Relenza in 1999. So this is actually developed by Australian biotech Biota, and it was licensed to GlaxoSmithKline in 1990. So it was proposed as one of only two pandemic flu drugs approved by the FDA. Relenza was one of it, and another one is called Tamiflu. So it was set for mega blockbuster sales, but there were some problems. One of them was they had too many warnings or side effects. For example, it is produced in powder form, which caused respiratory problems. They are also approved for 7 years old, which is pretty old people can only consume it. While the other product, which is Tamiflu, it can be consumed by even 2 years old. And then the third one, it gained only 13 million USD, while the other company gained 770 million USD. Because of this company was sued by Biota, which is the developer of this product, and this is due to their improper marketing by the company GSK. Next, let's look at a failure case, agriculture. All right. So the product is developed by Syngenta, an agricultural company. Right. The products are AgriSure Viptera and also AgriSure Duracate corn seeds, which is produced in 2018. So the AgriSure Viptera, yeah, it has the trait to for insect control to help farmers grow more corn. So it is an GM, which is genetically modified. Then we have AgriSure Durakit, which is also another product. It's a newest corn to control rootworm in corn with a unique mode of action. And it is also another GM, genetically modified corn. So the problems for the failure of this company was because it did not get approval from foreign countries to commercialize genetically modified seeds. So they exported the seeds without the approval. For example, the company China, and because of that, the nationwide class action lawsuit against Syngenta related to its marketing and commercialization of these seeds occurred. So they had to lose about 1.51 billion because the farmers and the country itself sued this company. So next.
Now I'm going to explain about the challenges and consideration for commercialization in biotechnology. First, ethical concerns. Okay, genetic modification, there are ongoing global debates about the long-term ecological impacts of GMOs, particularly in agriculture. The concerns include potential effect on biodiversity, unintended consequences on non-target organisms, and the development of pesticide-resistant insects. And then stem cell research. There are ethical questions surrounding the use of human embryonic stem cells, which may vary significantly by culture and region. These include debates about the moral status of the embryos, the ethics of creating embryos for research, and concern about the commercialization of human tissues. And then there's animal testing. After that, the equitable access, ensuring fair access to often expensive biotechnology products across different socio-economic groups globally. Then, public perception. There are lacks of understanding in general publics that often struggle to grasp complex biotechnology concepts, leading to fear or mistrust of new technologies. And then there are GMO misconception and science communication. There are need for clear, accessible information to build public trust and acceptance globally. This involves improving scientific literacy, combating misinformation, and engaging in open dialogue about the benefits and risks of biotechnology. And the third one is regulatory hurdles. The approval processes is quite complex and time-consuming across different countries, which can significantly delay product launches and increase development costs. Biosafety compliance, there are challenges in adhering to varying international biosafety regulation, which can be particularly burdensome for some smaller companies or those operating in multiple jurisdictions. And then international harmonization, there are complexities in aligning regulation across different nation and regions. And of course, intellectual property protection. There are challenges in securing and enforcing patents internationally, including dealings with varying patent laws, combating biopiracy, and navigating compulsory licensing issues in different countries. Next slides. So in conclusion, the commercialization of biotechnology products presents both significant opportunities and challenges. While successful strategies can lead to groundbreaking innovation like Humulin and BT cotton, failures such as the Relenza and AgriSure concede highlights the risk involved. Companies must navigate ethical concerns, public perception issues, regulatory hurdles, and global competition while addressing infrastructure limitation and skill gaps. Despite these challenges, successful commercialization offers benefits including market expansion, accelerate innovation, and increased collaboration. The future of biotechnology commercialization hinges on balancing innovation with responsibility, addressing public concerns, and fostering a supportive ecosystem for research and development. As the industry evolves, it has potential to drive transformative change across multiple sectors, improving life and addressing critical global challenges. Next slides. All right, thank you for watching, and this is our list of references. Please like and subscribe.